This is a demo of the RSS newsreader template in Ignition. Alright, so the first step is to get the template, and we can do that by going to the Cloud Templates browser. It's in Miscellaneous right here. Go ahead and import that. Good, there it is. Now you can see there's a little icon next to it. That's a notes icon. We can see the notes on this template by clicking here. Here's the notes for the template. You can read that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and create an instance of this template and drop it on the screen here. On the left here, you can see that there are properties for configuring the template. You can learn about these properties by clicking on them, and there's a little description. For instance, default size of font used in items, the maximum number of items to show from the feed, how often in minutes to pull the RSS feed URL. So this is how often to fetch the feed to update the newsreader. Alright, and here's feed URL, which has the URL to the RSS feed that will be fetched and displayed. And we can see that by default it has one in there. I'm going to go ahead and save this, and we can see what this looks like in the client. When the template first loads in a client, it does some initialization, which basically means it's importing a Python library for parsing feeds. So that's what's going on right now. Now it's loading the feed. And there it is. The template has some built-in caching, so if I go to another window and then I come back, it loads real quick because it loads from the cache that's saved there. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add another template, and we're going to do a little bit of some configuration. I am going to change the feed URL of both of these to a different feed. And for this one, I'm going to say that the maximum summary length is going to be 150 characters. So each item will only have 150 characters of summary. And I'm going to say strip HTML. So there will be no HTML displayed in this template. Okay, I'm going to go to this one, and I'm just going to change the feed URL to the same feed URL as the other one. And that's the only change I'm going to make. Save it. Switch to the client here. So both of these are going to show the same feed, but they are both configured differently, as you will see. Alright, so this one has no HTML, and you can see each summary is cut off at 150 characters. And the one on the right here shows images, it shows links, and bullet points. So this is HTML stuff, and it's showing the full summary of each item. And this is the demo of this template.